Hello and welcome to my channel again. This video is unboxing and here is my latest order from SimpleShot. Let's see what we have here. There is a little bit damage on this side. Looks great anyway. Ta-da! Yeah. That's all. Here we have 2 gobels. I think my neighbors are going to love these. And here is bigger one. Sounds great. And here I have SimpleShot premium latex, as GM&BW says, 0.7 thick and 0.5 thick. Nice to see how this suits. And here is this peasant head. This can be funny. Well, perhaps my next video is with this one. But let's see. Weather is a little bit rainy here right now. Summer was here and went right away. But anyway, this video was pretty short, but that's all, folks. Howdy.